Here are 4 ways to get your money out of Cash App. The first method is to cash out. Open Cash App, go to the Money or Banking tab, tap Withdraw, enter the amount, then choose either Standard or Instant Transfer. Standard transfers are free and usually take 1 to 3 business days, while instant transfers arrive immediately for a small fee. The second method is to send your balance to another Cash App user. Enter the amount, tap the Pay button, select a recipient, and make sure the payment is coming from your cash balance before sending it. The third option is to use your Cash App card at an ATM. Insert your card, enter your PIN, and withdraw cash. Keep in mind that ATM fees may apply depending on the machine you use and your account eligibility. The fourth method is to spend your Cash App balance directly with your Cash App card. You can use it for in-store and online purchases anywhere Visa is accepted. Many retailers also allow cash back at checkout, giving you another way to withdraw cash from your balance without using an ATM. That's all for this video. Thanks.